Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I created my go-to glam bronze eyeshadow look, so if you would like to see how I got it, then keep on watching. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my skin, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Prime and Hydrate and Smooth. For foundation today, I'm going to use the Benefit Hello Happy foundation in shade 2. This is only a little too dark for me right now since I'm so pale, but I'll lighten it up with my concealer afterwards. And to apply this, I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge. For concealer, like always, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 5 Ivory. And I'm going to put this pretty much all over my face just to lighten up the foundation. To blend that out, I'm going to take my Real Technique sponge again. For bronzer today, I'm going to take my Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'll take that on my e.l.f. Flawless face brush. Next, I'm going to bake my face under my eyes, along my jawline, and then on top of my eyes, and I'll take my Coty Airspun powder in the shade Naturally Neutral. For my eyes today, I'm going to take the Dose of Colors Desi and Katy Friendcation palette. The same thing as my ColourPop video, the yellow one, and if you haven't seen that, I'll link that in the cards above, so make sure to check that out. But this palette is a little broken, so I'm going to insert a picture of the palette, like listing what shade I'm gonna use. I'm gonna take my Morphe B79 brush, and I'm gonna take the shade Basic, which is the first shade in the palette, and I'm gonna run that through my crease as a transition shade. On my Morphe M573 brush, I'm going to take the shade Necessary and run that through my crease as well. Now on my Morphe M433 brush, I'm going to take the shade, I think it's Churro. Yeah, the shade Churro. All the shade names are on the back of the palette. So I'll take the shade Churro and I'm going to focus it on the outer corner and run it through the crease. Morphe M421 brush, I'm going to take some concealer and I'm going to do a half cut crease. Next, I'm going to go back in with my Morphe M433 brush in the shade Churro and blend the edge where the eyeshadow meets the concealer. And next for my eyelid, this is a little broken too. This is from the Sephora collection. It's one of their colorful eyeshadows. This is the glitter formula. This is in the shade 220 Lucky Penny. I'm going to take that on my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 9 brush. I'm going to put that on my lid for that concealer. Now I'll do all the same stuff to this eye. I just got done wiping my baking powder off of my face, and now for blush, I'm going to use the Lottie London Blush Crush in the shade Drake. For a highlighter today, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter and apply that to the high points of my face. Before I do my eyebrows and put mascara on and all that, I actually wanted to go back into the palette, and instead of liquid liner today, I think what I'm going to do is take one of the eyeshadows in the palette and use that as an eyeliner. So I'm going to go into the shade Chains, which is the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm going to take that on a BH Studio Pro number 11 brush, and I'm going to do that as eyeliner on my eye. I'm going to like smudge it into the lash line. Off camera, I did my eyebrows and mascara. For eyebrows, it's the same as always. I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Auburn and the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel in Dub. And then for mascara, I did a coat of the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara. And now for false lashes. These are new to me. They're from Ardell. They're from the Double Up line. These are the double Demi Wispies. To finish off my eyes, first I'm going to take the Essence Kajal pencil in the shade Katy, and I'm going to run that in my waterline. Next, I'm going to go back into the palette, and I'm going to take the shade Churro, and I'm going to take that on a shader brush and run that along my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take the shade Necessary on our BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 8 brush and blend that shade out more. And for lips, you can really do any color. Usually I love to do a nude lip with this, but I think I'm going to do something else today. So first, I'm going to start off with the NYX lip liner, the nude pink, and I'm going to line my lips with that. For lipstick, I'm going to use the Kylie Cosmetics Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade Charm. This is a mini version I have. It's so cute. And now I'm just going to put a little bit of lip gloss on top. This is the Clarins Instant Light Natural Lip Perfector, and this is in the shade 6. To finish off the look, I'm going to add some mascara to my lower lashes. So I'm going to add a coat of the Tarte Light Skimmer Lashes mascara. So that was the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. And also that you're subscribed. And I will see you all next time.